Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how you can change your profile picture on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open up the Settings app on your iOS device. Within the Settings menu, tap on your Apple ID at the top and then go ahead and tap on your profile picture. On the next page, you can go ahead and take a photo from your device's camera by tapping on the camera icon. This will bring up your camera on your screen from where you can take a photo and use it as your profile picture. Another thing you can do is to choose a photo from your library. In order to do that, tap on the two images icon right next to the camera icon, and this will take you to your device's camera roll from where you can select a profile picture for yourself. Adjust your picture by moving it inside the circle and positioning it properly, and then tap on choose at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to upload a profile picture from your gallery. You can also go ahead and choose from the available filters so that you can enhance your profile picture. After choosing one of these filters, tap on done at the top right and then click on done at the top right once again. And after waiting for a couple of seconds, you will be able to change your profile picture for your iPhone. Apart from your own photo, you can also choose Memoji and other emoji as your profile picture from the menu. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.